Welcome to BugBug's Bridge, the data sentence on Data Cruise Arcade. The word game that builds your data vocabulary one connection at a time. Head to Data Cruise Arcade and scroll to the Word Games section. Click on Bridge the data sentence to open the game. The game screen has a dark background with rows of data concepts listed on the left and right. Each row shows two related terms, one on the left, one on the right, with a blank space in the middle. Your job is to find the word that bridges them. At the bottom, you'll see a word bank. Possible bridge words like shape, simplify, drive, complex, future, hidden, or global. Drag a word from the bank into the blank for the row you think it fits. Let's walk through it. The first row might show data on the left and picture on the right. Look at your word bank and find the word that best connects those two ideas, then drag it into the blank. Next row, charts on the left, patterns on the right. What word bridges them? Find it in the bank and place it. Continue for every row. Graphs and ideas, insights and decisions, trends and strategy. Once all blanks are filled, the game evaluates your answers. Correct placements are highlighted and you can see which bridges make sense. The game teaches you how data terms relate to each other. Not just what they mean in isolation, but how they connect to form data stories. After completing a round, a new set of rows appears with fresh pairs and a new word bank. Round 2 might feature chart-specific vocabulary, bar and other, line and change, pie and share. Each round builds your comfort with the language of data, the vocabulary professionals use in real conversations and reports. BugBug's Bridge. The data sentence is free to play on Data Cruise Arcade. Build your data vocabulary, one bridge at a time.